Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you this watch. This watch is Michael Kors MK7313 ladies generally watch. It's a sporty everyday watch with an oversized logo dialed on gold tone stainless steel case. It has a black silicone strap with additional logo detailing. This is what we have here. I like the strap. The key features for this watch is pulse movement, 44-meter round case, black silicone strap, and water resistance to 50 meters. And I found it very positive. Got a good appearance, comfort, and versatility. And also I like it, so it's quite large. Yeah, this is what we have here. This watch, overall, Michael Kors ladies generally watch is a stylish, functional watch that is suitable for everyday wear. It is a good option for those who are looking for a sporty watch with bold design. Order this online, and it's a present that I want to give out. This watch is beautiful, elegant, and is highly recommended. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. I ordered this online and very much happy with it. This is what we got here. Michael Kors ladies watch. Beautiful. Thank you.